So Francis, we were just talking about the wells and cleaning up. Now can you tell us what's going on here in this place? No, here.
Yeah, we are pumping the water in the drain. We are emptying the well at present.
Yeah.
We have cleaned the sides and all, and we have washed the well. Now is the time, nearly after about 15 minutes, we'll be removing the dirt from the well and throwing it out.
It took you a good 2 hours to more than that.
What happened, the electricity was not there. It went once, twice, and the water table came on top.
Came up fast.
So we had to take patient also, and that's where we are taking video of now.
So one of your workers is in the well.
Yeah, one of the workers will have a look.
So can you tell us?
Monkey.
Yeah. So can you tell us what he's doing exactly? I mean, there's we can see a little bit of him from here, and there's a pump pumping out the water, and he is filling. He's filling the dirt or the leaves.
Waiting for the water to go down, little bit down.
Okay.
Then it starts removing the dirt.
Removing all the leaves and
all the dirt which is at the bottom. In the
mud, chikol, soft mud.
Everything.
Yeah, okay. We are just recording a small interview. While Francis is cleaning a well, he's telling us what he's doing. So this is tough work.
Yeah, it is tough work, but somebody Goan must do it. And with Goan,
we shy away from it.
Correct. You must do it. Like outside people come and do this job, and they charge whatever.
Yeah.
High rate. It must be a normal rate.
True.
People come for money mostly, and they want money, and they ask money, and these foreigners and outsiders doesn't know
what's the value of the work,
and they pay them. So they got that custom to make money, like print money.
You recommend cleaning the well in how many years? Sorry?
Let's say 6-7 years, 5-6 years. According to the surrounding, the top thing you have to see how much leaves are there on top, like trees are there. If it is congested, you have to put a net and all. If the leaves are small, you have to put thinner net. Avoid falling inside. The things falling inside. Stop it.
Water tastes differently from different wells?
Yeah, different area it is different. Seaside the water taste is different.
Unique.
Yeah, and from the hilly side the taste is very nice. And the thing is that if it is of the RCC well, the taste is different. And if it is a rock well, the taste is very much different.
If you keep the water in a madka, the taste is different.
And then the copper pot, it is different.
So which water do you like the best?
I mean the earthen pot, Gurguret, I mean.
From which area?
From Saligon, the hilly area.
Hilly area.
It's the best water.
Any advice to people on how to preserve their wells and why it is important to keep it?
First of all, the water is getting polluted. The coastal area is fully getting polluted. And it is already polluted. All that water which are, most of the water in the wells, Kalangut, Kandalim, Baga area, even Nagoa, it is polluted. People are just...
Which is sad, no? Which is sad because
sad.
One day when we need it, we will not be able to get it.
We won't get. People are just selling their plots. The other fellow is building a compound, making a
septic.
Building a septic socket close to the well. And if you go to this thing and all, make a complaint and all, nothing happens.
Yeah.
My friends' wells are, 3-4 friends' wells are polluted like that only. So, first of all, you have to keep the well surrounding area clean. And never sell your plot to outsiders because all Goans are going down and down. Minority, we are getting very less. So just for your example, you see outside and you'll see not a Goan, let's say not a Konkani, you'll see speaking Konkani. Hello, mostly Hindi, Kannada, and other languages.
Yeah. Wells are used in many parts of India or mostly?
Most of the Goans are using the wells, but they are using water, tap water, and they are neglecting the wells. Not cleaning the wells.
In other states?
Other states, I don't know much.
Konkan, they are using?
Konkan we are using.
Maharashtra.
Outside also they are using wells.
Kerala and all the coastal areas.
Well, what is very nice.
Water harvesting, it makes sense. Can we take water from the roof and put it in the well?
It's one's idea. Once we're thinking of like that, we can do it. Rainwater.
Thank you so much for your time again.
Welcome.